guys, welcome back here at Whimsical. And in this video, we are going to sculpt All Might from Hero Academia anime series. As you can see, I used a face molder at the beginning and I just modify it to look like All Might's face, which is very masculine. I added small triangle shape that will serve as his nose bridge and blend it well to his face using some tools. For his mouth, I carved U-shape and then smoothen it with rubber shaper tool or other tools you are used to. For the eyes, make an indent so that we have space for painting it later. And now cut shapes similar to his eyebrows. Then add hair texture like this. For the shadows on his face, I use soft pastel. And added a drop of water to blend it well to the clay. Now we will start the painting. After the paint dries and baking it, I added foil on the back during off-cam. Now we're attaching his hair, smoothen, then add textures. I inserted wires for his upward bangs. Believe it or not, I don't intend to make it look like horns. adding more hair and texture. And there you have it. See you again on part 2, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.